This is tab 3 of subprogram 5, which is the wait that it does when it's going to re-hide the boxes because they did not match. The wait count had been set to 80. Every time it comes to this routine, it's going to subtract the wait step from this wait count. And if the count goes to 0 or less, the wait will be over. Let me show you where the wait step is. We execute the application, and here in the red stripe it says step 3. So it will be subtracting 3 from that wait count every time it sees that instruction until that wait count is 0 or less. Now you can change this step by clicking there. It says 3 now. I click it, it says 2. It says 1. Then it goes back to 2. Then back to 3 where we had been. Then it goes 4. Then it goes to 5. That's the highest amount that it can subtract. We'll click it again, goes back to 4, goes back to 3. That's where we were at. Remember, it said we're going to wait for a count of 80, but we're going to take a step of 3 each time. That means subtract 3 each time until it gets to 0 or less. Go back to the program. Here's that wait statement. It subtracts the wait. Now, if it hasn't gone to 0 or less, it goes to ED, means it just goes home, doesn't do anything. Well, it's not exactly true. It did subtract something from the wait count. Now, when the wait count goes 0 or less, it sets I to the first index, and then 0's box show plus I. That tells the routine that displays the birds that nothing is to be displayed at this position anymore. We're hiding it again. Same thing with the second index. That one also gets hidden. Now, when the wait is over, not only are they hidden again, but then it changes the state back to state 1, which means it's to pick the first one. That is the wait routine.